Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to trill your R's. This will be a tutorial for rolling your R's. Anyways, let's get right into the video. So, trilling your R's is otherwise known as rolling your R's, and it sounds like this. Anyways, I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how to do this. Now, first and foremost, a lot of people think that it's like, you don't actually do anything actively with your tongue. You're not going, no, that's not how it works. Although that's what you might think and it seems realistic, that's not how it actually works, okay? If you've ever done something where you rub your hand, okay, and you press hard, like you rub something that has friction, like rubbery, and you press hard against something that also has friction, it usually goes, right, with the pressure. I don't think I can do it over here. Oh, I can't do it on the window. I'm trying to make it happen, but it's not happening. I can't do it. But you know, if you take like something rubbery and you push it against a floor, let's say, it's gonna go, right? It sort of makes that sound. I'm sure you've probably done it as kids, you know, like you're moving your feet on the floor, whatever the case is. I remember as a kid, I would like use my heel and just go against the floor, right? So essentially, you're doing the same thing. You are using your airway to create the pressure, and you're pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth, the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth to create that vibration, which rolls the R. So this is how you do it. So what you want to do is take your tongue, place it against the roof of your mouth, like that, and go, ha. Okay, now, here's the thing. If it doesn't work, you might get this, or you might get this, ha, right? You need to find the perfect amount of pressure and air guidance to make that air hit your tongue, and the tongue has to be pressing on the roof just ever so slightly, just so it has enough to sort of dangle up and down like that. And it'll go like this. So, you're gonna go, huh? And then slowly raise the tip of your tongue up until you start getting that sound. And it might not sound perfect at first, but you'll get there. So look, we're gonna go like this. So I just was going, huh? And then I moved the tip of my tongue upwards and I applied a little bit of pressure, and then it created that sound. So, so that's how it's done. And that's how you learn how to do it. You start by going, ha, 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 ha. I was just slowly raising the tip of my tongue up to the roof of my mouth, and then eventually get that vibration. And then once you learn how to do it, it might sound like, it might sound like that, like very, very faint. Once you learn how to do it, it's just a matter of practicing. So you're just going to keep practicing and practicing, and then eventually you're going to be able to trill your R's continually, and you can say, I can roll my R's anytime that I want to. I'm trying to think of another word that has an R in it, but it's not. I can't think of any more that work in that sentence. So it's just a matter of practicing it. I could have made this video like 20 minutes long, explaining every little aspect. Essentially, you're using your airway to push against your tongue, which is pressing slightly against the roof of your mouth, and then because it's pressing against the roof of your mouth, your airway is causing that tongue to trill, okay, your R's, and roll your R's, which basically creates a vibration on the tongue. Look at this, look, right? My airway is doing the same thing with my lips. It's the same thing, but we're doing it with our tongue. So it's the same thing. So practice it until you get that first little hint of a sound of a rolling R. And once you have that first little hint of a sound, you can then just do it more continually. And it's just a matter of practicing it. You know, like anything else in life, the first time will be the most difficult to do it. Second time will be a bit easier. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 10th times will be a bit easier. And then eventually you could just do it like as if it's second nature. That's how to roll your R's and trill your R's. That's it. So, yeah, that sounded ridiculous. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.